Welcome to the Robot Systems tutorial on initial Z settings. The initial Z settings are settings that aren't set on a daily basis. These Z settings will include the Z bottom limit, the wasteboard surface, and the calibration surface. In order to set any of the Z settings, a calibrated tool must be loaded into the head. To load a calibrated tool into the head, perform a function 91.1. In order to correctly set the height of the wasteboard surface, it's important to turn on the vacuum hold-down pump. The vacuum hold-down pump can be turned on by using function 250.0. Set the output to the vacuum pump to 1 to turn the vacuum pump on. Once you have finished setting the Z settings, perform a function 250.0 and set the output to 0 to turn the vacuum pump off. In order to set the Z settings, we're going to access the machine configuration menu. Locate the button labeled Z settings. Here you will find displayed the current values for wasteboard, calibration surface, and Z bottom limit. In order to set these settings, you will need to jog the machine to these positions. Start by pressing Enter on your hand console. Use the arrow keys to jog the machine into the desired position. Perhaps one of the most important settings is the Z bottom limit. Setting the Z bottom limit just above the surface of your tabletop will prevent any accidental machining of your tabletop. Once you have jogged the machine to the desired position, you will need to exit the hand console, then click on the button that says Set Z bottom limit to current machine position. Note the updated value. Next we will set the wasteboard surface. To set the wasteboard surface, press Enter on your hand console. Using the arrow keys on the hand console, you'll again jog the machine into the correct position. This time we'll position the tooltip just on the surface of the wasteboard. Close the hand console again and click on the button Set Wasteboard to Current Machine Position. Again, note the updated value. Lastly, we'll set the calibration surface. The calibration surface can be any surface on the machine that does not change in Z height. The calibration surface is not generally used after the tools are initially set up. In this example, a piece of melamine has been used on the tabletop surface, as this is a repeatable height. Exit the hand console and click on the button Set Calibration Surface to Current Machine Position. Again, noting the updated value. Now you've completed setting your Z settings, remember to turn off your vacuum hold-down pump using a function 250.0. Set the output to 0 and press Enter.